President of the NPP and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad SANGMA, while speaking about the HARIJAN Panchayat Committee's decision to not vacate the current location at Sweeper'S colony in the BARA BAZAAR area, said that the state government of Meghalaya would first of all examine all related documents of the SYIEM.OF MYLLIEM as far as claims to the lease of land is concerned. He added that whatever steps that the government would be taking has resulted from 3 years of detailed homework. Further, the Chief Minister stated that the decisions related to the Sweeper'S colony would be based on proper documentation wherein government employees would be moved to other government quarters, while those who are illegally settled in the colony would be amicably handled by the Urban Affairs Department to relocate them to another location.
So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees, who've been working with municipal or other departments, who are staying in that area, will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order, anything, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long, and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue also.